Hey guys, today we are going to start a new series that is Azure Networking. Now guys, we will start from scratch or basics. So for example, we will start right from why we need networking, what is IP address, then private IP versus public IP and all that. Now in this series there will be no PPTs or very few PPTs and we will understand the concepts in Paint tab. So Paint tab, it is a digital whiteboard and of course there will be demos. Now which networking concepts we will cover? So we will discuss VNet, that is virtual network, and firewall. So guys, basically firewall protects our virtual network. Then we will discuss subnet and NSG. So VNet, that is virtual network, it can contain multiple subnets, and NSG, that is network security group, it protects our subnet. Then we will discuss VMs, that is virtual machines, and we will also discuss Bastion. So guys, basically using Bastion we can securely connect to our VMs. Then we will discuss app services. Now in simple words, consider app service as something where we can host our web application. Then we will also discuss private endpoint and service endpoint. So basically using private endpoint or using service endpoint, we can secure our web app hosted in app service. Generally the private endpoint, it is a better solution, but we will discuss private endpoint and service endpoint both, and we will also understand the differences among them. Then we will discuss application gateway and WAF policies. So WAF, it means web application firewall. And guys, finally, wherever possible, we will understand these networking concepts with housing society example. So that's it guys for this video. Thanks for listening.